Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful sunflower coaster. So, for this project, I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn. Brown and yellow I have used here. So, if you want to make any other color, so you can also the other color, but here I have made the theme of sunflower, so that's why its name is sunflower coaster. And this is very easy, beginner friendly, who can make treble crochet and double crochet, so they can make this coaster very easily. And for this project I have used 3.5 mm crochet hook and also we need scissor. So hope you will like it. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe for more new videos. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 11 double crochet in the center of the circle. One, two, three, 4, 5. So continue up to end. It will turn total 12 double crochet including this chain. So here I have completed the first round. Now slip stitch in this top of chain. Now work for second round. So first make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This chain 4 count as 1 treble crochet. Then make 2 treble crochet together. One, and 2. Now pull the yarn all through these loops. Make 2 chain. Make 3 treble crochet together in the next stitch. One, two, and 3. Now pull the yarn all through these loops. Make 2 chain. So let's see how to make it. So make 3 treble crochet in next stitch. Make treble crochet together. 1, 2, and 3. Now pull the yarn all through these loops. Now make 2 chain. So continue this pattern all around. So here I have completed the second round. Now make 2 chain and slip stitch in this top of chain. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now take another yarn, give a slip knot, insert yarn in any chain space. Now work for round 3. So now make the V stitch. So first make 3 chain. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in same chain space. So here I have got 2 double crochet. Then make 2 chain. Make 2 double crochet in same chain space. 1, 2. So this is the first V stitch. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 chain. Then make 2 double crochet in same chain space. 1 and 2. So let's see how to make this V stitch. Make 2 double crochet in this chain space. 1 and 2. Make 2 chain, then make 2 double crochet in same chain space. 1 and 2. So continue up to end. So here I have completed the third round. Now in the last, make slip stitch in this top of chain. Now work for round 4. So this is last round. So now make the petal. First make 5 double crochet in next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 3 chain. Now make the picot in this 2 front loop. Then again make 5 double crochet in same chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So this is the first petal. Now make the second one. Make 5 double crochet in next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 3 chain. Then make slip stitch in these 2 front loop. So this is the peacock. Make 5 double crochet in same chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So let's see the pattern again. Make 5 double crochet in next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 3 chain. Now slip stitch in these 2 front loop to make the peacock. Then again make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So this is the petal. So continue all arounds up to end. So here I have completed all the petals. Now in the last, make slip stitch in this very first stitch. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now make secure this yarn in this back side. You can use hook or also you can use needle. Now cut all this extra yarn. So this is the coaster. Thanks for watching.